Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Minutes View. Today in this video I'll show the unboxing of these Zapvi mobile covers. You can see the packet. As you know, mobile covers, printed mobile covers, they cost you around rupees 300, 350 like that in the outside market. But this site Zapvi offers you the same mobile covers at only rupees 99. That are also printed with your photo. So is it original? Do they send the correct things? These things we'll see in this video today. So today I've ordered 6 mobile covers from Zapvi. You can see the packet, and the purpose of this video is just to show you that whether the packing, the items contained in it are original or not, or if there are any fraud or anything wrong, we'll get in this video. Okay, let's start it. So here we go. Let's see the packet, the bill. Yes, you can see the bill. The bill is attached quite well and will not damage the packet. We'll open it very easily. Yeah, you can tear it from here. You can use a scissor also. First what you get is the bill. Okay, the bill I see. Yeah, it's free shipping. And okay, the model numbers are also written. Okay, I'll show you the packet. Here is the packet. So the purpose of this video is just to show you whether this site is genuine or not, it's legit or not. I won't comment much on quality, service and other things. The only purpose of this video is to show you this site Zapvi, it is legit or not. Okay, so this is the interior packet. Yeah, there was a slight instruction. I open it. These are the packets inside. I pull it. 5 quantity I ordered. I'm just checking by 6. There are 5 quantities. Okay, 5 mobile covers of different phones. Here you can see they are in plastic. Well, one of them they have been given the plastic. Okay, that doesn't matter much at this low price, at rupees 99 only. Quality of the covers, yeah, it's okay, not too good but not bad also. At this small price of rupees 99 only, you are getting photo printed covers, so that's a great thing. They are actually hard covers. I'll open 1 or 2 more. Let's open this one. Yeah, these are hard covers, not the soft ones. Actually the soft ones, I think they are priced 50 rupees more, and they're not photo printed. So this thing is a good thing. Quality is okay, not too good, not too bad. The best thing is the price. At this price, it's quite value for money. So print quality, if I say you see the print quality is also good. These are basically WhatsApp type of photos, and in WhatsApp photos you are getting some decent quality. That's a good thing. If you upload HD images, you'll get much better print quality. And let's rub it. It's not coming out, so it's fine. Print is fine. It's quite durable. The edges, yeah, they are quite curved, so they may protect your screen, but if your mobile's edge is thicker, it might not also. But basically it's a back cover, not front cover, it's a back cover. So for back cover it's enough, and you get the holes for your camera. No, this I think is a touch screen, what to say, what we say, fingerprint sensor. And this is the camera area. Different phone models. This is a different phone model according to the phone they are giving. So that's fine. Here you see more covers. You see whatever photo you give, they print it. So site is legit. Zapvi is a genuine site, because people often doubt that at low price it's good or not. It's quite good. It's good value for money. And service timing and delivery timing, this I think they have delivered me in 7-8 days. hardly 7-8 days, so not bad. And they have courier partners like this one. If you see, courier partner is written or not? No, it's not written. I tell you that call I got from eCart. So eCart is a good courier partner. Their service is quite fast, but yes, you won't get it in 2-3 days like in Amazon and Flipkart. If you are in some remote cities, you might have to wait a bit. So this order I have made in Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. So okay, timing is good, and quality you have already seen. Have a closer look. Hard covers. Anyways, that's all I had to show you. Thank you for watching my video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button, because I keep coming up with these kind of videos that are of your interest, and you get to know several things, some reviews, some ideas, some stock market ideas, and many more things I make videos on. So please click the subscribe button so that we can get in touch with you. And if you have any comments regarding this, you can comment also. This covers are good or bad, you like the video or not. So let me know in comment section. And if you have any more other ideas, if you want any other reviews or any other site reviews you want, so that also you can comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Please click the subscribe. Have a great day.